All right, let's start out with a look at our warnings up and down the Red River. We now have warnings that stretch into the northern Red River Valley. Now, many in rural portions of our county, Norman County, Richland County, Cass and Clay counties, and even Steele and Trail counties, seeing some overland flooding as the melting snow is filling ditches, and those ditches are spilling over roads. So please watch out where you're traveling. Very sticky roads out there, and particularly in the rural areas. But the Red River at Wahpeton starting to recede at this hour. Everywhere north of that, seeing that river rise fairly rapidly as we head into our weekend with warmer weather around the corner. Central North Dakota seeing problems along the primarily James River Valley, but a lot of that melting going on there. Remember, the last couple of storms brought some very significant snow to those areas. Now, here's one of the reasons why the FM area has not shot up like our neighbors out to the west into the 60s. Look across the plain. You see all the snow-covered soil out there. There is some bare ground starting to poke through, but more of the land covered with snow as we head into the weekend. That likely will begin to change. But it certainly takes a lot of that sun's energy to melt and warm up that soil. 39 degrees right now out at Hector with winds gusting to 31 miles per hour. And it does look like temperatures across the region are fairly uniform. The eastern third of North Dakota, including the valley, seeing temperatures range from 37 up in Cavalier, a degree better in Grand Forks, Valley City at 39, but some 40s in the far west. Nobody too warm. One of the warmer spots has been Baudette at 40 degrees and Bemidji, 41 there. Sisseton, you too, seeing some milder temperatures, if we can call them that. Winds gusting throughout the central Red River Valley, where you see the colors painted on, as high as close to 40 miles per hour. So hold on to your hat, use some extra hairspray for your Thursday evening plans. Now, as far as precipitation goes, it is almost out of our area from Lake of the Woods down into Beltrami County and now Clearwater County, maybe mixing with a couple of flakes of snow as that warm front continues to surge its way off to the east. Here's your forecast this evening. Cloudy skies and the wind arrows stay, so it'll be breezy all the way through bedtime tonight, but a little less gusty. Then as we go through the overnight hours, can't rule out a spotty shower, sprinkle. Other than that, it's going to stay cloudy, and because of the clouds and the wind persistent at around 10 to 15 miles per hour, we're going to start out very mild, mid-30s for many of us as we step out the door on Friday morning. By the midday hour, if you're heading out for lunch, temperatures will be warming to where they are right now and even warmer down to the south. I can't rule out some areas of sprinkles right here in the central and southern Red River Valley as we go through the afternoon, but warm temperatures in the southern valley where there is more of the bare earth to warm things up. 36 to start your morning. Fargo warms up to 48 degrees. Wind not nearly as strong, and it becomes northerly late, and those northerly winds will keep our northern counties a little bit cooler, lower 40s for most of you. Look at the warmth, though. Sisseton down into parts of southern Minnesota, enjoying some 60-degree heat. Not a lot of ice here on the Red River as it winds its way through Trollwood. Thanks, Casey, for uploading your photo. Here's your planning forecast Saturday. Fargo warms to 50 degrees. Late in the day, a chance for showers and thunder into Sunday. About 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch of rainfall possible into Sunday. That's going to cool temperatures off into the 40s as we go into early next week. And I cannot rule out flakes of snow for some of us Wednesday into Thursday of next
week. Are we
still
below average?
Yes, 48 or so is our average high this time of year.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.